Hi, I'm Kevin Gallagher and welcome to the Momentum Performance Coaching Countdown to Christmas vlog. This is tip number 3, so it's just 9 days now till you can crack open your prezzies. And today's tip, if you choose to apply it, will help you improve your business by at least 50% in 2021.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Let me start with a question. Anybody out there who thinks, don't be daft, Kev, you can't improve your business by 50% in just a year? Actually, it's quite easy. It's just a matter of perspective. Because to improve your business by 50%, all you need to do is improve it by 1% every week. So create a list of 1%ers, small yet significant ways of improving your business. Could be something as little as change the tea bags, because if someone suggested it, it might be because the tea tastes rank, and the fact that you've followed through on it will have an emotional effect on that person. It could be to praise one person on the team per week. It could be perform a random act of kindness weekly. It could be to clear out a cupboard, a desk or a room. It could be to start counting your wins instead of focusing on your losses, which are in actual fact learns. It could be to smile more. After all, that's the easiest way to improve your looks. And if you've got a team, brainstorm a list and each week pick one off the list and then get someone to take ownership for it and implement the 1%er. Now if you're a solopreneur, you've got your own exclusive list. It's possible you may not all get them all done in 2021, but to have 38 done is better than to have none. 38 is better than 30. And the truth is, this is the tip that just keeps on giving. Because if you were to break out your calculator and do the calculation, improving something by 1% every week actually compounds it. So the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. So produce your list. Add to it as the year goes on. Perhaps ask the team to bring at least one new 1%er to every team meeting. Let the ideas flow and improve your business +1, +1, +1 every single week. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 4. Now go out there and you make it a cracking day.